Hello guys, welcome back to this lesson. So today we're going to be talking about the boilerplate, how to generate a boilerplate for your HTML project. So what's a boilerplate? It's simply a code or something that generates a template of a code for you to get started with. So you don't have to cram all this. So I'm going to command highlight, select everything here in the HTML index file we've created before. And I'm going to remind you, please, if you've not set this auto save to be true, just go and click on here. Make sure that there's this good icon here, so that you can be in the same page with me as I code. You just code along, and then we'll see it. So the first thing I want to do, I want to hold my shift and then press the number 1 key on my keyboard, or just click on the exclamation mark. If you know how to click on exclamation mark, you just hold the shift and then you press 1. This will give you the exclamation mark. So if you press enter now, you see what we have. Tada! We have a boilerplate. So now there are so many gibberish I know you don't understand. I'm going to take my time to walk you through all of them now. Well, to be frank, they are not important. They're not important because you don't need to memorize or know all of them. But if you must know them, this tells you the document type, and it should be declared once at the very top of the file, telling you document type is of HTML, the language is English, and then the meta character set is UTF-8. It tells you how this HTML file is actually rendered in terms of the character set that would. So the UTF-8 covers the modern encoding of your character, whatever character you want to be, in your language, in your text, numbers, symbols, and all that. This is equivalent. So maybe what you should know is it's telling you about that the Internet Explorer as a browser should render the latest version that is compatible with of course, the code. It's a configuration that HTML sets for us automatically, and then the viewports. These things are just like basically no zooming. The width and the height, the viewport of the web page should be the same as of the device, right? That is you're using to view it. And finally, the title. So what is title? Title is simply the text that would show up on the browser tab. That particular tab you're browsing, that description about the website, this is what the title is. So quickly, I just want to change this into web dev. Let's call it JP codes. And then this is what we have. So let's try to run this on the browser. I'll stop the previous port as my manner has always been. Then right click and go to the bottom and then open with live server. Gonna take some time and then open up for me. Then I'll see here. Of course, I am not expecting to see anything in the body because we did not put anything in the body, as you can see. The body is empty, but there's a title here that says webdev-jp codes, and that's what you're seeing here. So I intentionally did this for you so you can actually see what the title does for you. So here's the title, and then this is what the title is. So in the next video, we're going to go on to list them some actual elements and then get started with that. So see you in the next video.